after the quiz master maybe have finished that round, you raise your hand, you bring your protest, we look at it, we correct it, then we move to the next round. If you wait for us to enter to the next round, whatever you raise may be listened to, but will not bring any change. So make sure you raise your petitions within that round and we'll deal with it. And it should be in an amicable, gentle, nice, friendly way. Thank you. Again, we have some medals and trophies for the winners and the first runner-up and the second runner-up. They are all provided by our district director because of his desire to make sure Ekumfi also excel in the other subjects. When we introduced the science and maths quiz, we've seen the impact it is making in the district. We want to do this one too so that students will also develop the interest in these three subjects. Without much ado, I will call Mr. Ba, the head of supervision, to briefly address the gathering. Okay. I wanted Mr. Ba, the head of supervision, to address the gathering in the place of our director. But since he is not here and I'm the speaker for the director, I will step in his shoes and do say. So, as I have said earlier, we congratulate all the contestants in advance. Okay. But aside that, we will still charge teachers to do so. Board, yes. Thank you. Okay, yeah. So, we congratulate the contestants in advance. You are all capable. Just that at the end of it, one of you will emerge the winner and to follow in that suit. That I always say, we should be demonstrating the sense of being good losers. If you lose, don't make much argument. Go to the drawing board and prepare yourself. Okay. So, we are taking the opportunity to wish you well. No, that only happens myself in your shoes. But you know it's already. Sir. I will allow our HR to also say something, address the gathering. Thank you. Let's clap for him as he comes. Thank you very much. Well, I'm pleased to be here to welcome you. My boss is not around, and on his behalf, I welcome you and wish you all the best.
My plea is that all of you should take this contest very serious. Accept your any verdict from the quizmasters. If you have anything in doubt, just politely keep everything into writing and present it very neatly. Once again, I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
So we officially commence the quiz, the final contest for Ecif 2024, the Navy edition. The final schools are Methodist. Let's clap for them. Let's clap for them. As someone who about the basic school, let's clap for them. And Napa Methodist Business School. Our school master is Mr. Richard Botte. Let's clap for him. Mr. Richard Botte. Have our timekeeper, Mr. Anthony Wilson. And I am the score master, the MC for the program. My name is Samuel B. Akins, also known as Nana Ogasanta. Mr. Quiz Master, these are our contestants, and you have to commence. Thank you. Thank you, our Honorable PRO for Ekumfi Education Directorate. All right. We are about starting the program, and unfortunately, the bell we like we'll be using a stone to indicate to prompt response should they be that their time is up and they were not able to answer the question. We don't have a bell right here. Uh, but as usual, as we have been doing from the prelims, we always want the schools to help or assist us with the scoring so that when we finish with a particular round, we can compare whatever you have so that we can all agree on one thing. All right. So as I said, we are starting with English, and I hope you are all ready. All right. Before we, I don't know. I think we've not prayed, so we want to quickly ask one of us to lead us in a short prayer, then we'll start.
Let us pray. Daddy Lord, we thank you this morning. It's been by your grace that we're able to get up to attend this very important prayer. We will commit everything that you do into your hands. Sit on your throne and stop your hands. Let your presence be there. That's my Jesus. Thank you so much. In the let peace and stability prevail so that I think you know that you have been our God all these years and you are one. In the name of Jesus. Amen.
Thank you, Mr. Alfred. We have said a lot, so I'm sure you know. But as we make progress, I'll be telling you the time allotted for that is the major question. Your major question is generally is 15 seconds. But should there be any change, I'll let you know. That if a question is transferable, I'll let you know. And that is where you will compete using the the buzzer bell. All right, so let's take note of that. And also, okay, so with the round one, that's English. We have variety of questions. Variety of questions. So I'll be telling you. With the first set of questions that we are going to answer, I'm going to mention some words, group of words, then you identify the odd word or the odd number, the odd one out or the word that looks odd among the set of numbers that I'll be mentioning. So we all know that the evening before 2024, we started from the prelims, they got to the quarterfinals, schools were, the boys, then it got to a point where we got to the semifinals, and finally, the boys have been separated for the men, and the girls have been separated for the women. So this we have our three champion schools over here who are going to compete. So we have that is the getting of your positions. We have the first two non-combatants and they are represented by use the mic, please. Hagan and India John.
Esther Ennis.
Yes. Alright, the second school is Asamadu DA Basic and they are represented by no, use the mic. Is it on?
Fatima Mustafa.
Fatima Mustafa. Iba Anderson. Let's clap for them. Then we have the next two. That is Abdul Methodist and they are represented by
Louis Benson.
Theophilus Jesse.
Okay, I start to make it one. You see me right? Oh, one second. What you should according to first, second. All right. So we are starting. All right. So when we get to round two, I'll start from this place. When we get to round two, I'll start from this place. Then round three. Then the final round, we're going to start from here. As I've told you, when a school is unable to get its answer right, for the bonus, the other two schools will have to be too attentive as soon as they are called out or all their three answers given or provided are wrong. You quickly have to make a sound using a bouncing ball to indicate that you are ready to answer for a bonus. Okay? Alright. Next question to all schools. Round one, this one, as I said, set of words you have to mention the odd one out. Number method is your question. Fanta, G, Malt, Pepsi. Only one attempt. Fanta, G, Malt, Pepsi. Odd number, odd word out.
Please, the words again.
Fanta, G, Malt, Pepsi.
J.
G is correct. Asamabo Eduba, palm wine, Bigo, beer, Guinness. Palm wine, Bigo, beer, Guinness.
Bigo.
Bigo is correct. Bigo is correct. Apple Methodist, rice, plantain, cassava, orange. Orange, of course, orange is correct. Of course. We come to the next set of questions. It's on literature. So, with this one, I'm going to read a statement. Then you provide me with the literal device that explains the statement that I read. Is that all right? So 15 seconds for this set of questions also. Nata, this is your statement or sentence. The leading character or major character in a play, novel, or film is known as what?
Protagonist.
Protagonist is the answer. Protagonist is the answer. Alright, then answer number one. A person who opposes or is hostile to someone in a play, novel, or film.
Antagonist.
Antagonist, of course, is the right answer. Abu Methodist. A literal device that evokes a sensory experience for the reader or you're going to start. So you have to help us. If you are not using it, you switch it off. Hello. All right. I think we can make progress. A literal device that evokes a sensory experience. Is it an FM? Hello. Hello. All right. I don't know whether we can make progress. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Hello? 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 Okay, I think it's fine now. Your question. A literal device that evokes a sensory experience for the reader or viewer by using highly descriptive language is what? A literal device that evokes a sensory experience for the reader or viewer by using highly descriptive language is what?
Imagery.
Of course, it is imagery. Of course, thank you very much. Thank you. I come to you again, mathematics. We have a genetic expressions here. 50 seconds to all of you. The old man has kicked the bucket. What does it mean?
The old man has died.
The old man has died. It means that, yes, I'll give it to you 4 points. Asaman Dodokwa, he was born with a silver spoon in his mouth. This means that he was born with a silver spoon in his mouth. This means what?
He was born into a rich family.
Okay, I'll give it to you, yes. Yes, of course. After methods, everyone has skeleton in his cupboard. This means that everyone has skeleton in his cupboard. This means that
Everybody has empty his cupboard.
no. One more attempt. We are in bed out, so I think I heard it from this place first.
Everyone has a problem.
Okay, let me hear also what you want to say. I think for bonus, I'm jealous about my bonus. That one point, I'm very jealous. I want to hear something very, very, very convincing. When we say that everyone has skeleton in his cupboard, what we want to say is that everyone has a secret that is embarrassing. I always want to hide your secret and want to, yes. Everyone has an embarrassing secret. Okay. Thank you. I come to you now. Come after this. So no bonus for any of you. Yes. We come to another literal device, but this one is in the form of true or false. So listen attentively. Since you know it's true or false, you know that I will not come to you for a bonus. So don't disturb your bathroom bell. Now come after this. The occurrence of the same sounds or letters at the end, begin or adjacent of closely connected words is not called alliteration. True or false? The occurrence of the same sounds or letters at the end, beginning or adjacent of closely connected words is not called alliteration. True or false?
True.
I'm sure it's a false statement. It's a false statement. Asamandi, the action of making a word or statement to reappear in a literal writing is termed as repetition. True or false?
True.
Of course, a true statement. Let's clap for that. Abu Methodist, your statement. The resemblance of sounds between syllables of nearby words arising particularly from the rhyming of two or more stressed vowels but not consonants is not termed as assonance. True or false?
False.
Yes, it's a false statement. We come to a spelling bee. All right. For the spelling bee, when I come to you, I will mention your word. You have two attempts. All will give 15 seconds. So as soon as I mention the word twice, then the clock will start ticking. All right. 50 seconds. So it's a speed race. Napa, your word is shampoo. Shampoo.
Champagne. Champaign.
I'm sorry. One more attempt. You have brought out this one. Yes. So any of it, yes.
CHAMPAINGE.
I'm sorry. And it's not by force to talk if you don't want to talk.
CHAMPAIN.
I'm sorry. The correct spelling of the word champagne is CHAMPAG. That's that. That's the killer. GNE. It has killed all of you. The word G. The letter G. Alright. Now, I come to ask someone. Say two attempts, all within 15 seconds. Schnapps. Schnapps.
Snaps. SHCNPPS.
I'm sorry.
Oh, one of way no two. No, miss, no, we will be in a wobble bell. You know what?
Okay, alright. I beg.
SCHNAPPS.
Of course, that's the correct spelling. SCHNAPPS. Schnapps. Alright, I come to you. Your word is chiffon. Chiffon.
SHEEVEL.
I'm sorry. Yes. Well, the time is not up, so why? Okay, now, okay, you already, but let's listen. Wait for us to say that before, okay? Alright.
SCHEVIER.
I think my brother went before.
No.
Intra. Alright, you are wrong. Yes.
Shifted. SHGFFGUR.
Probably, and that word is more or less like a borrowed word from France. Yes. So it's like I being a driver, I being a boss or maybe director, my driver or the person who will be driving me along. All right. So the correct spelling is C. As long as you start with S, you are over about CHAUFFEUR. Yes. The pronunciation will deceive you. They said S. They started with S. Okay. All right. Number, your word. Flames. Flames.
Flame.
PHLEJNMS.
Of course, that's the right spelling. Phlegms. Asaman, there is a word that is synonymous to phlegms, and that word is kata. Your word, kata. You can spell. You can say, go on. I'm sorry, you have done that. So, kata.
CATARRH.
Of course, that's bonus of 1 point to mathematics. Your word is hallucination. Hallucination.
HARLUCINATION.
No, please.
No doubt. Yeah. It was best answer already.
Nothing.
Hallucination. HALUCINATION.
I'm sorry. Asaman, 5 seconds.
Hallucination. HALUSNATION.
I'm sorry. Since we are hallucinating, so please spell. It's HALLUCINATION. Hallucination. Now I'm going to give you a sheet of paper. We have some words, but we have omitted some letters of the English alphabet. We have missed certain. So you are going to rewrite the words. I think for the purpose of coverage, you have to take them out, please. You can refresh them as much as you can when you finish the program. Yeah, thank you. Alright, so I'm going to give you this sheet of paper. On the sheet of that paper, we have words. There are 4 of them. These words, we have omitted certain letters from it. So we are going to rewrite those 4 words again. But we have given you a guide. The explanation has been given alongside. So if you are smart, you can really get it. So because it's a final, the 4 words, we are giving you only 3 minutes. We expect that if you are very smart, using the definition given, you should be able to finish all within the 3 minutes. So that is that.
So you write the name of your group. Do not start until you are told. When you can write the name of the do not tend it.
Do not turn the paper. Wait for us to give you a signal before you do so. All right. Are you set? All right. So you can now turn. As I said, you have 3 minutes. So you are all working together. Now you may begin.
family God.
All right. The words that we gave them. The first one is the word actually is seamstress, and we said a woman whose job is sewing and making clothes. So that clothes should help you quickly to finish with it. No wonder there was a particular school that to finish within just 1 minute. Then the next one is transplanting. The third one is omnipotence. The fourth one is echo. Now let's visit what the various schools did. Starting with the first school, Nauka Methodist. Nauka Methodist had all words spelled correctly. So 4 out of 4. Then Asaman Bodukwa, they could only write transplanting and echo. So they had 2 out of 4. 2 out of 4. You have done well. And Abu Methodist, of course, they also had all 4 words spelled correctly. So that was 4 out of 4. So this is just the beginning of the whole show. And this actually brings us to the end of round 1. So we wait for our scoremaster to, whilst the other teachers will also finish with the tally of their scores, then we'll compare before we announce and write accordingly.
Teachers, please submit your results so that, oh no, we do compare before we send it there, so that we don't do anything that will bring controversy. 14, 14, 17, yes, all right.
The format.
At the end of the first round, which covers the English aspect.
At the end of the first round, which covers the English aspect of the quiz competition, Napa Methodist had 17 points. Let's go for them. Asaman Bodekwa had 14 points. Abo Methodist also had 14 points. Thank you.
As I said, we have more rounds to go, more questions to answer. So we move to the second round, and that is social studies. Social studies. All right. So, with the first set of questions, the questions will be coming from the concept of our culture. All right. With these questions that I'm going to give you, these questions, it's not transferable. When it becomes transferable, I'll let you know. And as I said from the beginning of the program, the young one, I'm going to start with you. Okay. All right. Here, it's not like the semi-final that was mentioned to on state two. So that when you state two, you give it 3. No, this one you have to work and sweat for all the 3 scores. So mention it 3. Mention it 3. State 3. I hope it's okay. So your question. Mention 3 at least. No, mention 3 importance of festivals in Ghana. You can be saying it. Yes.
Festival helps promote our culture.
Okay.
Festival helps us promote our natural resources.
I will not take that one, but you could.
Festivals brings unity or foster unity.
Okay. All right. So, okay. So, but you were still saying it. So you have mentioned 3 things. You have mentioned 3 things, and out of the 3, the second one will not be given. So you have 2 out of 3 here. Let's go for them. We are kneeling to mark the beginning of the traditional year, to thank the gods and ancestors, to pay homage to the chiefs, to bring various members of the family together, that's the unity that you talked about, to settle disputes and litigations, to plan development projects. There are many, goes on and on and on. All right. I come to you. Identify 3 sources of superstitious beliefs in Ghana. 3 sources of superstitious beliefs in Ghana.
Witchcraft.
All right.
Festival.
I'll not give you that one. Okay, you were able to mention only one. So we have taboos, goals, witchcraft, as I said, witches and wizards, curses, magic, occultism, myths, deities, and other things. All right. I'll come to you. Now connect this. Mention 3 factors responsible for cultural change in Ghana. The cultural change we have in Ghana. Mention 3 factors responsible for that. All right. Can you mention more? Of course, you are right. You are right. So you have to mention them so long as you have time. Now I'll be picking and choosing. That's the reason I want to say a word and it's not correct. I'll tell you that one is not correct. So it means that you have to quickly mention them. So you have all 3 correct: education, migration, intermarriages, they are all your research, influence of other cultures, cultural adulteration, and so on and so forth. All right. Technology, okay. Now we move to the next set of questions, which is going to be on mapping our environment. I start with you again. This time around, I'm reducing it to 2. Identify any 2 methods used for showing relief features on maps. Identify any 2 methods used for showing relief features on maps. You are talking, yes. So, are you done? Settlement layout. Okay. So, settlement layout. 1 out of 3. Our method is mention 2 ways of indicating scale mention 2 ways of indicating a scale of a map. Mention 2 ways.
Linear scale, statement scale.
Of course, you are right. For 3 points. Now, mention any 2 characteristics of a good map.
A good map has a key. A good map has a title.
Don't confuse, okay? I'll give you the 3 points. Yes, we have key, religion, direction, scale, title, date, conventional science, so on and so forth. Now, we move to the next set of questions. As I said, these set of questions are not transferable. So if you are not able to do with it, no one will eat your food for you. Alright? Alright. So we are going to mention 3. We are going back to 3. This is on my country, Ghana. Mention any 3 minerals mined in Ghana. Continue. No, you don't really want to continue. I've already given you the 3 points, so that is that. Let's go for them. One question. Mention any 3 types of timber found in the forest of Ghana.
Odu,
Continue.
mahogany, wawa.
It's okay. All the 3 points are going to be given to you. Okay. All right. Number. Mention three main vegetation types in Ghana. Mention three main vegetation types in Ghana.
Savannah, Sudan, evergreen forest,
Where is the Sudan coming from? Let's mention Savannah.
tropical,
Tropical what?
tropical rainforest, savannah rainforest, savannah forest, evergreen forest.
It's okay. Two out of three. We have the mangrove in that one. Then we have coastal shrubs, grassland, and so on and so forth. So we are just mentioning one word, savannah. And, the other word that is coastal, the tropical rainforest. The other one that is said. So 2 out of 3. The next set of questions I come to ask a number is on natural features of the earth. So that's your first question. Your question is this. Mention the 3 types of rainfall. Of course. If you don't speak, if this speak is on, no one will hear. Those watching you from the Facebook, they will not be hearing anything.
So if they know that, they should just mention it. Boss.
Hello? Your question. Identify any 3 effects of revolution of the earth. Any 3 effects of revolution of the earth.
Climate change,
Continue.
day and night,
Day and night.
weeks, weeks and months.
Please, going to when you are talking. Hello, try two. Hello, try two. When you are there, you are not saying it. That is when you can tell that.
All right, you have 2 out of 3.
So the problem is not that
Napa,
you are aware that they are giving the seeds just to Facebook. So whenever we are doing as audience at the level of the program, we don't grab, we don't maybe tonight, we don't want to speak at night. There are certain for the is coming to say. So you make the whole thing live. Thank you very much.
thank you, Nana. Now commentaries. Mention any 3 oceans we have in the world.
Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean.
Of course. We have an important personal presenting our miss. We want to have him with a round of applause. You know, he has been solidly behind us. Just behind me, you can see his pictures. All right. All right. Yeah. When we finish with the round 2, then we'll give our honorable DC opportunity to speak to us. Some of the students have already received the package that he sent to us. So he has been supporting us solidly, and we really appreciate that. We know of other things that he has been doing. I will hold on for a moment. I'll give him the platform at the right time. Thank you. All right, so we continue. The next set of questions is on population growth and development in Ghana. So I come to ask Abambo Odekwa. Mention any 3 social problems of rapid population growth in Ghana. Social problems of rapid population growth in Ghana.
Poor standard of living.
Continue.
High birth rate, low literary rate.
Your time is not up.
Lack of employment.
Okay. Okay, high literacy. Okay, literacy. Okay, high birth rate. So we are sorry to give only 1 out of 3. So that's what for them. There are many, but what you are mentioning, has unemployment. We have drug abuse, misuse of drug abuse or drug misuse, increased crime rate, broken homes, early marriages, malnutrition or poor diet, unemployment, teenage pregnancy, overcrowding, environmental. Abu Methodist suggests any three ways. Suggest any three ways of reducing population in Ghana.
Family planning,
Continue.
chastity,
Continue. No.
public education,
Oh, your time has.
2 out of 3. 2 out of 3. Mathematics. Mention 3 negative effects of rural-urban migration on villages of Ghana. Mention 3 negative effects of rural-urban migration on villages of Ghana. Continue.
It creates lack of employment.
It creates lack of employment.
Lack of employment. High literacy rate.
No, but it seems I repeated the question twice so that there won't be any deviation, but you force yourself to deviate from the question. I said effect of rural-urban migration on villages, but your focus is on where they have gone to. So you are mentioning like they were fighting over employment and all sorts of things. We are talking about the village itself, where they have migrated from, like where they have left. So we are talking of broken homes, we are talking of teenage pregnancies, we are talking of poverty, we are talking of slow rate of rural development, low production of food and other agricultural products. They are all left to Accra. So who will be producing food? Alright, so I will not give you. So you had 0 over there. Alright. The last set of questions, then we'll invite our honorable to speak to us. It's on Ghana as a nation. Ghana as a nation. I come to you. Mention 3. Jasama. You see, where you are sitting, the question will be given to you. So it's not a matter of picking and choose which one to ask. Okay? Where you are sitting, if the first question goes to the first school, the first school will answer the first question. Second school will answer the second set of questions. We didn't know, we didn't foresee that as someone will be sitting here for that matter for the second round, they will answer the first question. I hope you get me. That's what I was saying to you. So where you are sitting, sometimes we'll give you an opportunity, or you'll be lack of also. So what question is mention ethnic group that we have in Ghana? Just mention 4. Just say it. Just say it. All right. Last question. Identify any four reasons for the movement of ethnic groups to their present state settlements or homes. Identify four reasons for the movement of the ethnic groups to their present settlement or homes.
To find a fertile land.
Continue. All right. So 1 out of 3. 1 out of 3 for fertile land. Peace also there. Employment, trade, avoidance of natural disaster, escape. Maybe there's a rural leadership over there. They want to move from there and all sort of things. All right. I come to you. Now come back to this. Identify any 4 ways of sustaining unity among the different ethnic groups in Ghana. 4 ways of sustaining unity among the different ethnic groups in Ghana.
There should be inter-ethnic marriage. There should be fair representatives. There should be fair representatives of leaders.
Continue. Oh, but 2 out of 3. All right. Yes. So this actually brings us to the end of round 3. Sorry, round 2. All right. Thank you very much. Let's do it once again. I've told you, the audience, you are here to clap. So that's your business. Thank you. At the end of the second round, which covered social studies, yes, covered social studies. The schools were able to answer 6 questions each. So I invite the other score masters to present the scores for comparison before I go to the scoreboard. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 1, 2, 6, 9, 12. At the end of the second round, Napa Methodist had 13 points. Asaman Boduka also got 13 points. Abe Methodist obtained 12 points. We are beginning the third round, which covered ICT. Thank you. But before we begin the third round, I will first of all invite our District Director of Education to say something brief. Then after that one, our honorable aspiring member of Parliament, Ekumfi in the ticket of NDC, Honorable Dr. Ekumfi to be given the opportunity to address the government. Thank you. Let's clap for them all.
Good morning to all of you, and good morning to contestants. I should have been here earlier to give my opening remarks. Unfortunately, I was at Mfantsima. You know, now I'm caretaker also of Mfantsima Municipal. They're also having maths and science quiz at Adumabu. I had to also go there, wait to give my opening remarks, and then observe at least few minutes and then run to office at a place to sign some documents before coming. So forgive me that I have not been here from the start of the program. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the following group of people or individuals for supporting this program. I will first start from the Honorable Member of Parliament, current Parliament, that's Honorable Abiku Krenzel. He donated the caps and the medals that we see here. Then we also want to thank Honorable Dr. Pokwenu, the incoming or the MDC parliamentary aspirant for Ekumfi constituency, for also donating books. I think every participating school has got copies. Now today we are here to bring and he has even added lesson notes for all the teachers of the panelists, and has also added, apart from that, we also have the exercise books to be given to. Earlier, we saw what he did towards the sports, where every circuit is now having a JC for the tournament that they will be having. So we are grateful, and here too, I also want to acknowledge the support of Comfort. Please, if you are here, be outstanding for feeding us, providing food for my contestant, and today too, they provide some food for the contestants and some of the at least officials that have been here. We are so grateful to all of you. Very soon we'll come and label the caps so that when it's in your office, you will get to know what cap it is. So we are working towards that. We thank all of you, and Honorable Kwenu on record has also promised that come next term, the maths and science quiz, he will also come in to support us. So that in the end, as he said that education is on the heart, and education. So that we will get a student for the first time who will get 6 ones, at least in Ekumfi. Last year, we saw Francesca from Nakwa, who was the best maths quiz student. She scored 1-1, but unfortunately, English and social social studies brought her down. That's why we have realized that there is a need for us to work on those areas. And I believe the contestants here, you are already 6-1 candidates. Clap for yourself. Because with this score and the way you are performing, I believe you see that the scores are so close to call. And the way you are performing, I believe that you also be serious with the science and maths come next term. And I believe that you will find yourself in the Holy Child, the Westigas, the Infantipims, and the other top schools. We congratulate you. But for the supporters, let's learn to be good losers. When we lose, let's just accept it. And then go back to our drawing boards and find ways we can come. Let us not be making a lot of savvy remarks against the quest masters. So we are, and the winners, we wish you the best. I wish all of you the best of luck. Definitely one school will carry the day. Those of us who will win, let us measure in our celebration so that we don't tease them to create problem for ourselves. And we believe we comport ourselves. And at the end of the day, we get the best to win and we wish the rest. We also thank the supporters that have also come. Those who are also here to support their other colleague schools. We also wish you, and most importantly, we are grateful to Mr. and Mrs. Kwenu for even coming in addition to grace the occasion. When they were coming, I thought they won't come, but they are here also to witness. And we also have our presiding member, who is also a head teacher around here. Also, and I also want to thank my brother Hammond, who has sacrificed so much. Every program he will come, though the director doesn't pay him well, but he's here also to support us. My praise masters, who started from the films to now, God also bless you. We are grateful to all of you and wish the best school. Wish the best school carries the day. God bless us all and God bless you for your attention.
Thank you. Let's give it once again to the director for his opening remarks. We will see the opportunity and grant our aspiring member of parliament, Honorable Dr. Ecif, to also address the gathering. Thank you. Let's welcome him. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am honored to be here this morning to say a few words. In fact, I am highly encouraged and excited as to what I'm seeing today. The level of performance blows my mind, and I know that truly Ekumfi has a very bright future. Like I've always maintained, education remains the bedrock of every society. And therefore, if our children receive the desired education, we as citizens of Ekumfi, our future is guaranteed. In fact, our director that we had this time around, unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to meet the previous ones. But I can say that with the support of his entire team, a lot of changes and good things have happened to our educational system in Ekumfi. If I can share my own testimony, my father and my mother are proprietor and proprietress of a school in Accra. It's called Step by Step Montessori. In fact, when the school started, I was fortunate to be a teacher, teaching the children. And it is exciting to hear that the very first student that we taught from the scratch of the school is today a doctor in the United States of America. That should tell you that education is key. I am lucky and fortunate today. My name is Doctor. I am sure some of these children that we see today will become professors in the future. And I'm happy to say that what our director has said in terms of future activities by way of quizzes, my wife and I are more than happy to support to the end. And again, finally, to bring closure, one of the things that I desire to do most for Ekumfi, God willing, if I get the opportunity to serve the people of Ekumfi, is to construct a sports complex for Ekumfi. Now, embedded in the sports complex, we'll have a hall where such activities will be taken, so that we can have a proper setting where we can have quizzes, not only for Ekumfi, but show our strength and our knowledge to the world that Ekumfi is ready for the world. And I know that by the grace of God, everything will work out to the good of this country. God bless us all.
Thank you. Let's clap for him once again. Let's clap for him once again. Honorable Dr. Ekumfi. We also acknowledge the presence of his wife, Mrs. Ekumfi. Let's clap for her. Yes, she is demonstrating that a woman is always behind a successful man. So let's down even now she is sitting beside already in front of the room. Yes. Let's clap for her. Why most of the time politicians travel, but the wives will not accompany them. But she is doing a very great job. We also Honorable Lady is here. Let's clap for him. A wonderful chap. Together with our presiding member, Honorable Headmaster Kakra Nkatia Jagadu the Great. Let's clap for him. He is also the communication director for the NDC Commission level, doing very great work. We are continuing the program by delving into the ICT area. So, Quiz Master.
Thank you very much. Nana Odi Asampa, the third. All right. So, as I said earlier, with the third, so for the third one, I'm going to start with you, Apple Methodist. All right. That is ICT. These set of questions are transferable. You have 2 attempts, all within 15 seconds. All right. So we are starting. Above this, dash is the process of finding errors and fixing them within a program. Dash is the process of finding errors and fixing them within a program.
Edit.
No.
Formatting.
I'm sorry. Yes.
Grammar error. Check.
No. All right. The right answer we have here is debugging. 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 All right. Yes. All right. All right. All right. So now come at this. A loop that never ends is referred to as continue. Just say it.
Repetition.
No.
Constant.
No. Bonus. No idea. All right. So this is just. I said. I hope we've done that. If you follow the mathematics and I would have asked you that. I said. That, all right. The answer is simply infinite loop. Infinite loop. You are telling me infinite set. Infinite loop. All right. I come to you. Our son, Abigail need to execute a section of code 10 times within a program. Abigail needs to execute a section within a program. Which control would she use? Yeah. I think that the loop is facing all of you. All right. So everybody, yes.
Finite control loop.
You want to be smart here. You should have been smart earlier. No. No idea. We have 4 loop, 5 loop, and 2 while loop. They are 3. Of course, yes. All right. I come to you again. Okay, this one should be easier for all of you. Who is the father of HTML, hypertext markup language? Who is the father of that? No idea? Tell me what you want to say.
Charles.
I'm sorry. Yes. Bonus. Yes.
John McCarthy.
Yo, Martin. Now, don't give it to you. It has nothing to do with John McCarthy. Yes.
Mark Asimov.
No. The answer is Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee. This is a final set of questions. This is for finals. All right. So you cannot be having your way just like that. I come to you. Now come to this. If Tim Berners-Lee is the father of HTML, then who is the father of computer? Who is the father of computer? Someone is waiting endlessly to. Yes, I know you. Of course, Charles Babbage, you're very good. Thank you. You earlier said Charles, so as soon as I said that, I was looking at you. All right, I come to you. No, you. As I'm a who invented compact disc? Who invented compact disc? Simon. You have been bailed out. Bonus, Charles you are not there. The person who invented compact disc, his name is James T. Russell. James T. Russell. Yeah. I come to you again. Apple Methodist. What is used to read an HTML page and render it? If you want to read an HTML page and render it, what do you use?
Barcode reader.
No. Bonus, yes, number.
HTML reader.
No. Yes. You are also readers. The answer given to me is web browser. Web browser. All right. Number, let me get a question. Which tag is used for inserting the largest heading in HTML? Still on HTML. Which tag is used for inserting the largest heading in HTML?
Insert tab.
No.
Home tab.
I'm bad out. I'm sorry, it's not home tab also. Bonus. You have no idea, just tell me you have no idea, then we'll move on. Say it, yes.
Caps lock.
Caps lock, no, I'm sorry. Alright. The answer is H1. H1. Asaman. Dash is the page set up orientation by default on the slides in PowerPoint. Dash is the page set up orientation by default on the slides in PowerPoint.
Microsoft.
No, one more attempt. I don't know. Yes.
Page layout.
No. No. The answer here is landscape. Landscape. It's not becoming interesting. What a portrait. But we are talking about landscape. All right. Apple Methodist. Dash is used to create one document and send it to a multiple people. So what is used to create one document and at the same time send to multiple people?
Email.
No. Donors. Yes.
Microsoft document.
No, I'm sorry.
Modem.
Yes. The person who gave me the question told me that this question is likely that someone will say modem, and it is not modem. And in fact, what we predicted, yes, number has fulfilled it. But I'm sorry, that wouldn't get you any mark. The answer is start mail merge. Start mail merge. Since the person who said the questions, we know him. He is a delicious meal that he will prepare for the finals. So let us endure. Maybe a time will come that some of the questions will be easy. Okay. Mathematics. Your question is, what do you call a person who uses the internet to explore and communicate? What do you call a person who
Blogger.
no
Content creator.
no all right, the answer is cybernet. Cybernet. The next set of question. Okay, sorry, no question. Maybe this one, you get it right. How many bits equal to a byte? How many bits equal to a byte?
1,000 bits.
No, one more.
100 bits.
I'm sorry. Okay. 8. Of course, it's 8. One mark. Abraham. Easy. Right. The next set of questions. Above. The file that consists of ready-made stars that we can easily use for our presentation is known as the file that consists of ready-made stars that we can easily use for our presentation is known as. No, you don't want to use the mic. You have said that, yes.
Menu bar.
No. No. Oh. It's a template. Template. And I don't know how. Template. All right. The question was for you, and so I moved to mathematics. Mathematics. What is the max zoom percentage in MS PowerPoint? What is the max or the maximum zoom percentage in MS PowerPoint?
50%.
No.
Read the question again.
What is the max zoom percentage in MS PowerPoint? You don't have time to do calculations. Yes?
100%.
I'm sorry, not 100%. 48. What makes it that you 48? You mentioned some big numbers. The answer is 400%. 400%. Now, what The PowerPoint design template is stored in a file with extension. A PowerPoint design template is stored in a PowerPoint design template is stored in any file with extension. What is that?